guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we will be answering the most frequently asked questions about volleyball on the internet. So we're gonna pull up Google here and we're gonna Google the most searched questions. This is actually pretty funny. So if you are new here, go ahead and subscribe and like this video. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. It's at jacoby.sims. Okay, jacoby.sims. I also have a second channel, you guys. It's a vlog and a lifestyle channel. It's called Jacoby. It's always going to be linked in the description. Everything is always in the description. I also have a podcast. It's called Secondhand Embarrassment. It's just a lifestyle podcast, you know, about college, volleyball, just about my life, and I give out tips and advice and stuff like that. So go ahead and check that out. It's on Spotify and Apple Podcasts. You can either search Secondhand Embarrassment or you can search my name, Jacoby Sims, and either one will pop up. It's also on a bunch of other platforms like Anchor, Pocket Cast, and all the things like that. So wherever you get your podcast, it will probably be there. I also have merch. You can go check it out on Teespring. It's really, really cute and very soft, so I would go check that out. But without further ado, let's answer these questions. Ooh. Girl. Okay, first question is, what is volleyball? We love that question. What is volleyball? Okay, volleyball is a team sport played by 6 individuals on one side of the court. The objective is to score points, and the first person to 25 wins, and you have to win by 2 points. You have to have, well, you don't have to, actually. That's a lie. Yeah, I think that's really the genesis of volleyball. Oh, there's 2 different kinds of volleyball. I mean, there's many forms of volleyball, but the main 2, in my opinion, are beach and indoor. But with beach volleyball, you only have 2 players on. Yeah. Oh, also indoor uses rally scoring now, so you can score off your serve now and all that jazz. Yeah, that's a really weird question. What is volleyball? Interesting. Okay. What is the object of volleyball? Okay. The object of volleyball is to pass a ball over in the net, either in 1, 2, or 3 contacts, and get it over the net and hit the ball on the ground. And if you're defending the ball, the object of the game is to not let the ball hit the ground and score, and let the ball hit the ground on the other side of the net to score a point. Yeah, this is so weird. And also, obviously, the team who wins those points to 25 wins. Okay, this is so weird. Okay, what are the different levels of volleyball, of college volleyball? So there is NAIA, JUCO, or junior college. There is D3, D2, and D1. And then after college, you have pro. So there's like a bunch of other foreign leagues out there, like in Italy and China, Russia, all those other countries out there. They have pro leagues. I don't think there's any pro leagues in America. They might be coming up on that. I think they are. I think I read that a while ago, but hopefully. There's also Team USA. That's just for like the Olympics and just representing USA volleyball. Yeah. Oh, and also for club, there's usually 11s or 10, the age bracket 10s through 18s. There's boys and women's volleyball. There's volleyball for the disabled. There's wheelchair volleyball. There's sitting volleyball. There's indoor volleyball. There's outdoor volleyball. There's grass volleyball. There's beach volleyball. There's so many forms of volleyball out there. So yeah, those are the ones I can come up with off the top of my head. Ooh. Okay. Okay. What do I wear for volleyball? Okay, so that really depends on what kind of volleyball you're playing, obviously, but for indoors, let's keep it basic. You wear spandex, some kind of shirt or jersey, t-shirt, tank top, socks, athletic shoes, knee pads, and usually your hair is up. Yeah. And for beach volleyball, I usually wear either spandex or a bikini bottom, a sports bra or a tank top, a visor maybe, or a hat to keep the sun out of your face. Sunglasses to keep the sun out of your eye. Your hair is usually up, and some people wear sand socks. They play sand in socks sometimes, or they just go barefoot. Yeah, it's actually kind of fun. Okay, how is volleyball scored? So it's usually, or indoors scored by like rally scoring. So that means that every time that the ball hits the ground on the other side of the net, or on the opposing team side of the net, that's a point for the other team. So yeah, and you're going to 25, like I said. What skills do I need to play volleyball? The basic skills are passing, serving, blocking, hitting, and setting, and serving. I don't know if I said serving already, but you need to be able to pass the ball, dive, hit the ground, pass the ball with one arm, set the ball, serve, receive, blocking. There's so much that you need to be able to do. So many skills, but once you work at them, it'll be fine. What is a libero? Okay, a libero is a person that comes in for either a middle or someone who just doesn't usually play back row, and you want a good sub, a good defensive sub to come in and play all the time for your back row hitters that don't play defense that well, so they can sub in, and they can only serve for one of the hitters that they come in for. So say if they come in for the middles, they can't serve for both of the middles. One of the middles has to serve, and then the libero can serve for one of them. The libero is usually the libero is usually the second best setter, the best defensive player, and the best serve receiver. They're usually pretty loud, very talkative and assertive, and they lead their team. Yeah, they also wear a different colored jersey than everyone else, just so they can be noted in the libero tracking and all that stuff, all the stat keeping that they are the libero. Yeah. Okay, the next question is, what's the difference between a libero and a defensive specialist? Okay, so first of all, a defensive specialist is someone who subs in. Normally, like a libero can just run in and run out, but a defensive specialist has to sub in for that player. They can sub in for anyone, like front row or back row. They don't wear a different colored jersey, and yeah, they can also serve for anyone. Oh, also they can, like, liberos can't jump and attack, like they can't contact the ball above the net, because that will count as a back row attack as from the libero. Liberos also can't set in front of the 10-foot line. But defensive specialists can, because they're not liberos, so they get jump and attack, and they can set in front of the 10-foot line if they want to. Oh, also liberos don't count as a substitution, so you usually have, 12 subs in a set? 12, 13, something like that. The libero doesn't count as a sub, but the defensive specialist will count as a sub, so yes. What are the different volleyball serves? Okay, so there's 4 types, really. So there's a spin serve, or like a side spin serve, where like the ball just has wicked spin on it, but it's not top spin, which is over and down. It's more, you hit on the side of it and it curves like this to the side. So there's a side spin serve. There's a float serve, where the ball is just flat and it floats out and it usually drops deep. There's a jump serve, and then there's a top spin serve. How do teams rotate? Okay, so here's the court. I'm trying not to make it like backwards for you, but right front, middle front, left front. No, I need to do it the other way. Right front, middle front, left back, middle back, right back. Okay, and you rotate clockwise. Yeah. This is so weird to think about. You rotate to your right every single time. So say if I start in left front, the ball, we score a point and we no. Say we are not serving, we receive the ball and we score a point. We then rotate to your right, one spot. That's how you rotate. That was so much harder to answer than I thought. I think this is gonna be the last question. I'm like embarrassing myself. Okay. How do you know if a ball is out of bounds? Okay, so on a volleyball court, usually some courts suck and the out of bounds lines aren't as distinctive as you would like them to be, but usually it'll be a nice thick white line on the sides of the court and on the end line, and that way you'll know the ball is either in or out. Now, where this can get a little sticky is we have line judges that will tell you if the ball is in or out, and sometimes they will call a ball that's in and they'll call it out, or vice versa. So sometimes it's a little frustrating. And as a line judge, if you're on the corner, you're there on the corner of the court, ow, one by the bench and then one across from the bench on the other side, and their designated lines to look at is the one right in front of them and the one to their right. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you liked me kind of exposing my knowledge, because I honestly kind of struggled with some questions. I was like, well, this, because like they're just such broad questions and basic questions, but it's like, how do you actually answer those? But yeah, that's it guys. I really hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.